In this video, we'll show you how to assemble, operate, and maintain your new Greenworks blower vacuum. We will be featuring the 40-volt unit, but these steps can be followed for most models. Please note this is not a substitute for reading the operator's manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings specific to your model, consult the operator's manual provided. Let's get started. In the box, you'll find the Greenworks blower vacuum, the blower tube, concentrator tip, the mulcher tube, the collection bag, and the operator's manual. Your model may have also come with a battery and charger. Unpacking. Open the box and carefully remove the blower vacuum and its components. Inspect to ensure no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you've used the tool and are sure it works properly. Assembling the blower. Attach the blower tube. Install the wider end of the blower tube onto the front of the blower housing so that the notch clicks into the slot on the tube. Your blower comes with an optional concentrator tip for faster airflow. If you wish to use it, the concentrator must be installed before the blower tube is attached to the housing. To remove the concentrator tip, remove the blower tube from the housing and push the concentrator back out from the front. The battery. Charging the battery. Charge the battery by aligning the grooves on the charger and sliding it into place. The charger light will turn on to indicate it's charging and will turn green when fully charged. Inserting the battery in your blower. Align the grooves of the battery with the cavity of the blower housing. Slide the battery into the housing until it locks into place with a click. Removing the battery. Press down and hold the battery release button so that it disengages. Pull the battery firmly from the housing. Safety first. Before starting, put on safety glasses and check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Operating the blower. Do not operate your blower vacuum without first reading and understanding the safety considerations outlined in the manual. Before turning on the blower, ensure that the mulch vacuum gate beneath the housing is completely closed and locked. There are two switches on the top of the housing, the on-off switch and the turbo switch beside it. Below these is the variable speed select dial. When you turn on the blower, you will hear a beeping sound. Adjust the airspeed with the speed select dial to get the desired air strength. Normally, when using the blower, you will not need to use the turbo switch. However, if you do need a much faster stream of air, press the turbo switch. Press it again to turn the turbo function off. Operating tips. Hold the blower firmly. Sweep side to side with the nozzle several inches above the ground. Walk slowly, keeping the piling debris in front of you. Use lower speeds for dry debris and higher speeds for moving heavier items, like wet leaves or small stones. Assembling the vacuum. Slide the front and rear mulcher tubes together until the tab engages. To open the gate on the bottom of the housing, slide the lock button sideways. Move the latch and the gate will swing freely. Installing the mulcher tube. While holding the gate open, insert the wedge end clip of the mulcher tube into the rear clip. Then push the hook end clip into the front clip. Move the latch back into position and re-engage the lock. Installing the bag. Insert the bag adapter into the blower outlet until it clicks into place. Adjust the bag strap to the appropriate length so that it fits comfortably on your shoulder. To remove the bag, turn off the mulcher and remove the battery. Press the lock button and remove the bag carefully to avoid any spillage. If the bag is heavy, you may want to rest it on a surface while removing it. To remove the mulcher tube, press the lock button and remove the hook end and the wedge end from the housing. Operating the vacuum. The vacuum controls are the same as the blower. When you turn the vacuum on, it will make a beeping sound and start in low speed. Use the variable speed dial and the turbo switch to adjust the power of the vacuum to suit the job at hand. In turbo mode, the vacuum is more powerful and the impeller will mulch more efficiently. Operating tips. When using the vacuum, hold it firmly. Tilt the mulcher tube and use a sweeping action to collect light debris from the ground. The debris will flow into the bag and items such as small leaves and twigs will be mulched as they pass through the fan housing. For a longer bag life and better performance, don't completely fill the bag and empty the bag when you're done. Cleaning and clearing the tube or impeller. Always wear gloves to protect your hands when cleaning or clearing a blocked tube or impeller. Turn off the vacuum and wait for the unit to come to a complete stop. Remove the battery, the mulcher tube, and the bag. Carefully remove any material in or blocking the tube or impeller. Inspect the impeller blades for any damage and rotate the blades by hand to make sure any blockage is cleared. Maintaining your blower vacuum. As with all tools, regular maintenance is important. The nature of the work often means that your blower vacuum will get dirty, so it's important to clean it. Remove the dust and debris in the air vents with a brush or use compressed air or a vacuum. Do not spray, wash, or immerse the housing in water. Instead, wipe off the housing and plastic components with a damp, soft cloth. Do not use any household cleaning products, solvents, or detergents. Cleaning the collection bag. Dirt left in the bag can accumulate and can obstruct the flow of air, damage the bag, and greatly reduce performance. Thoroughly clean the bag as often as necessary. To do so, empty the bag, then turn it inside out and vigorously shake out any remaining dust or debris. Wash the bag by turning it inside out, hanging it up, hosing it down, and letting it dry before reinstalling. Maintaining your battery and charger. During the work season, the battery can be stored without charging it. Even so, it's best to charge the battery so your tool is always ready to go. Charge the battery at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once charged, remove the battery and unplug the charger. The battery can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove it and store it separately. During the off-season, store your battery fully charged indoors and away from any heat sources. Keep the charger clean and clear of any debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. Storing your blower vacuum. Empty and wash the bag before storing it. Store the unit in a safe and secure location, out of reach of children. The room should be dry and well ventilated. Properly maintained, your Greenworks blower vacuum is built to provide you with years of great service. For more information or replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.ca.